Shocking kidney health news update. 1. People don't know they have kidney problems until their kidney disease is stage 3 or 4. With kidney damage so severe they end up on dialysis for life. 2. 1 in every 5 people during their first year on dialysis in the U.S. will die. 3. Individuals with CKD are 16 to 40 times more likely to die with kidney failure from complications such as a heart attack or stroke. 4. Kidney disease affects 4 in every 10 people over age 65. There are 100% natural remedies for improving kidney function, reversing your kidney disease, 100% all natural treatments and remedies scientifically proven to repair kidney damage. Introducing the Kidney Saver ebook program that medical dialysis promoters hope you will never discover. Here is what's inside the Kidney Saver ebook program. 1. No dialysis needed, all-natural kidney health and kidney function restoration program. Find exactly what kidney-friendly healing foods to eat and which toxic kidney-destroying foods to avoid in easy-to-follow lists. 2. The all-natural kidney health and kidney function restoration program diet plan. You get a 14-day easy-to-follow menu plan with recipes and snacks. This will reduce stress on the kidneys, control mineral imbalances and maximize your healing. 3. The definitive guide to potassium content of foods. Over 1,000 foods listed which helps to select the right foods to help your kidneys heal faster. 4. The definitive guide to protein content of foods. Over 1,000 foods listed which helps to make the right choices for a lifetime of better kidney health. 5. The Kidney Diet Grocery Shopping List. An easy-to-follow, printable list that you can take it with you when you do your grocery shopping. 6. The Kidney Diet Tracking Sheets. These diet tracking sheets allow you to make a smooth, easy transition to a healthier kidney diet. When you follow this program, you will be able to delay dialysis by years or even decades. Or possibly even avoid dialysis altogether. You can easily heal your kidneys without dialysis, without drugs and without any side effects. This program is specifically designed to improve kidney health naturally as well as eliminate the need for dialysis completely without use of unnatural man-made pharmaceutical drugs. This program is so powerful it has been doctor-reviewed and approved. Dr. Knox DC, Chiropractic Doctor, Canada. What I turn to for my chronic kidney disease patients. I highly recommend this. This is doing well with improvements in patients' symptoms and kidney disease stages. Dr. John Rhee, Medical Doctor, USA. My patient is doing better than I could have imagined. This program definitely gets my thumbs up. More than 1,000 people have tested this all-natural kidney restoration program and their medical results prove it is saving their kidneys and drastically improving quality of their lives. Do not just manage your kidney disease, reverse it now. To do all you can to protect your kidney health, you have to act now. Click link in video description to download the Kidney Saver ebook program.